I'm trying to bite the ring hunter.
Well, in the ocean, what resources would you use?
I'm live, just in case the police try to kill me. I got 2 cop cars on my trunk. Woo woo! We've got a nigger. They got 2 cop cars. 2 cop cars. My 1 cop car. Get in that cell, nigga. These white cops, man, they're getting on my fucking last nerves. We've got to pull those niggers over as many as we can. He's checking me for warrants right now. Step out of the car, sir.
Alrighty, sir. Here's your license and registration, man.
Did you check to see that my tags have been stolen several times?
No, it doesn't tell me that, sir.
Oh, well, I've been harassed by the police only twice. What's your last name, sir?
O'Neill.
O'Neill.
Yes, sir.
I've driven past so many Baltimore County police officers, and nobody's pulled me over.
Okay. Well, maybe
But for you,
tag.
I must be my skin color that's precious.
Yeah, it has nothing to do with your skin color.
Nothing has to do with
It has
my skin
everything
color.
to do with your tag not being attached.
The last cop told me put it in the back window. That's what I did.
Okay, well...
They ripped the guts out of my
they can't see
tags.
That, you're going to get pulled over.
Well, you're the only second person to pull me over in 6 months.
Okay.
So
well, you've gotten pretty lucky then. So this is a written warning, okay, sir? Drive safe, all right?
All right, thank you. The police are racist, very racist. He saw my bumper sticker, honk if you hate Trump, and he tried to hate on me. That's all that was.